What's up, fellow travelers? Hope all is well, and welcome to a brand new travel episode. This week we find ourselves in the town of Wakefield, Quebec, at about a 30-minute drive from Ottawa and Gatineau, where we're going to be staying in one of the most prestigious hotels in the entire region, and that is the Wakefield Mill Hotel and Spa, which is located in the heart of the amazing Gatineau Park and right beside the Gatineau River. It combines luxury, comfort, relaxation, as well as a great location for outdoor adventurers like me who want to go have an awesome time in the Gatineau Park, go for an amazing hike, and also take advantage of the Gatineau River in the morning. Before we check into our awesome hotel for the night, we're actually going to hit the Gatineau Park. What's amazing about staying in the Wakefield Mill is you're right beside the Gatineau Park. At less than a 5-minute drive, you can make it to parking lot P17 and do the Trail 72, which in my mind is one of the best trails to do in the Gatineau Park because it offers breathtaking views and allows you to take full advantage of the fall colors. So let's discover this trail, let's explore, and let's enjoy those amazing views.
It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands. It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd, but their hearts break loud. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free.
Now that we reached the lookout, we're gonna head back to the car and head to the hotel. Honestly, this has been such a fantastic trail. Trail 72 will always be dear to my heart because the lookout is really, truly unbelievable, especially with the fall colors. It really doesn't get any better than that. And the great thing is the hotel's literally 5 minutes away. So we're gonna head over there, check in, and enjoy a nice relaxation session because, to be honest, I need a break after all this outdoor adventures. And that hot pool, I'm really stoked for it. Well, it's official. We're checked in here at the hotel, and I must say I've been looking forward to this for such a long time. I've actually never been to this hotel before, and the room is super quaint and cozy and relaxing, inviting, and that bed is so darn comfortable. I am actually looking forward to a nice, good night's sleep. And this mill is located at the best location. I mean, you have the amazing waterfalls right beside it, you have the Gatineau Park, the Gatineau River, and during the winter you can actually come and eat in some of these little shacks right here. It's so quaint and beautiful and so romantic. And tonight I'm taking full advantage of all their amenities by first stopping at their fine dining restaurant, which, judging by the pictures on their website, I am already starving. After that, I'm gonna enjoy some time in a hot tub with a view of a waterfall. I mean, come on people, can it get any better than that? With that, let's enjoy the rest of our night here at the Wakefield Mill Hotel and Spa. Good early morning, everyone. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Last night I slept like a baby because that bed is so much more comfortable than the bed I have at home, and I wish I could have stayed in it. But this morning I wanted to get up early to check out the sunrise, which was totally worth it because right beside the Wakefield Mill you have a hiking trail. Literally within 25 minutes you get amazing views of the valley, and this morning you had the cloud level, which was really low, so the clouds were flowing through the valley and the mountains. Absolutely breathtaking. One of the best sunrises I've ever had. And last night I had a fantastic time. The dinner at the Héron wine bar was amazing. The food was on par. I mean, you had delicious flavors. I had a lamb burger, and I must admit it was one of the best burgers I've ever had. And the service was impeccable. After that I enjoyed some time in the hot tub, which was much needed, and the hot tub with a view of waterfall can't get any better than that. I must admit, I would have stayed in there all night. I probably would have slept in the hot tub. I would have fell asleep. I almost did, actually. But today, unfortunately, we have to leave the Wakefield Mill, which is so sad because I could stay there a full week if I had a chance. And but we're going to be going paddleboarding on the Gatineau River, which is one of the best places to go paddleboard in the region. Right near Wakefield, there's a good access point, and there you can go check out the wooden covered bridge from the water. And if you don't have a paddleboard or kayak or canoe, you can actually rent one from Expedition Wakefield, which is near the Wakefield Mill, and it's going to be a beautiful day. So let's get some breakfast in my body because I'm hungry, and after that we're going to hit the water. Well, after having an absolute amazing meal at Popelinka Bakery, which is one of my favorite bakeries in the entire Outaouais region, and it's only literally a 5-minute walk down the road from the Wakefield Mill Spa. Now we're on the Gatineau River enjoying an amazing time, and it's a beautiful day for a paddle. And what's great about paddling from Wakefield is you can go down the Gatineau River or up the Gatineau River to visit the Wakefield Covered Bridge. Just an amazing location. With that, guys, I'm gonna end today's episode. I've had an absolute amazing time at the Wakefield Mill and doing some of the best outdoor activities you can do around it in the Gatineau Park as well as the Gatineau River. This is really our prized destination for outdoor adventurers as well as people just wanting to relax and get away from the city. With that, if you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more travel tips, tricks, and vlogs on a weekly basis, and also follow me on Facebook as well as Instagram to stay up to date on some of the best things I'm doing all week long. With that, as always, don't forget, safe travels.